In this video, we'll learn how to create and configure tokens in the Asset Naming Assistant for Marketo. Tokens help dynamically populate content across your assets, saving time and ensuring consistency. To begin, go to the Configuration page and open the Tokens tab. This section lets you create tokens. To create a new token, click Create Token. Enter the token name and select a token type that best fits your requirement. If you select Asset ID, the system automatically generates a unique ID for each program when it's created. Similarly, selecting Asset Name will automatically assign the asset's name. And click on Save. Let's create one more token with different token type. Enter name and select token type as Date. Next, specify the sequence number to define the display order of tokens in the asset editor. If the field should always be filled in, enable the required checkbox. Once all details are entered, click Save to complete token creation. A success message confirms the token has been added. If the token type is Picklist, you can manage token options just like in the Categories section. Add options manually or upload multiple options at once using the Upload CSV file feature.